Hello Bellas, I hope you guys have been really well. I am super excited to show you these brand new contacts that were sent to me by TTDEYE, and this time their packaging was super beautiful. I think they have changed their packaging style and I love this one way better. And as you can see, they give you individual lens kits for each pair that you order, and I have 3 colors to show you guys today: Real Caramel, Edge Brown, and Iris Brown. And please note that this video again is super natural. I have not edited any of the shots, so whatever the contacts you see is the contacts you get. First color I'm going to show you all is Real Caramel, and thank God for TTDI for giving us these applicators. I have long nails right now, so it's really hard to put the contacts in without these. Now, I would describe this color as a rocky stone grayish brown. This looks really flattering on people with an olive to tan skin tone for sure, and it is definitely really natural looking, and comfort wise I would give this a 9 out of 10 because there are super thin contacts. You can almost forget that you're wearing them. So this is exactly how these contacts look when you're standing in daylight in front of the window, and I also try to give you guys a shot in sunlight. It was super hard because it was really hard to keep my eyes open. So the next color I'm going to show you guys is Iris Brown. And now this color is really natural to the point where I don't know how to feel about this, because when I wear this does not look that off from my natural eye color, but at the same time it still does make a difference. It like makes my eye more lighter and towards the more brownish hazel side. Now the contact itself, the print is phenomenal. It looks super natural, but it's like it doesn't make a huge difference from my natural eye color for sure. But there's one thing I must say about these contacts. In sunlight, they look so beautiful. Like, I look like I have real brown eyes. As you can see, I really tried hard to give you guys a shot of that. Okay, lastly, the color I'm going to show you guys is Edge Brown. So now when I put this contact lens on, I was kind of shocked because I've seen so many videos where I've seen this color look really pretty on other people, but as you can see, this looks not good on my eyes. Like, I hate this color. Oh my god. Like, I don't know if I have such small eyeballs or what, but this color just does not look right on me. There's something wrong. Anyways guys, don't forget to use my coupon code to save some money off your order, and until next time, take care.